Hey guys, it's Sam and I'm back with another video. This one's way different. This is the after of my daily makeup tutorial. And I don't know, I just like doing makeup, so I thought I'd make a video out of it. I know after this I'm gonna record a makeup haul, just showing you guys what makeup I have. I don't know if that's gonna be a good video, but I'll try. Also, you can't really see this lighting, but I'm a blonde now. Yeah, you really can't see in this lighting, but my hair is actually really blonde and it looks good. The person who did it is really good and amazing. But yeah, like I said, I'm recording this after I record the video because I wanted to record an intro after I actually look decent. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, I put my hair back just so like it's not in the way or anything, obviously. I mean, you would want to put your hair back no matter who you are. But yeah. Now, I'm not really amazing at makeup at all. Like, I am not very good at makeup. I never really have been. But I thought I'd make a video of it, how I do my makeup. So yeah. I just got a bunch of new stuff and I'm gonna post like a makeup haul of all my different kinds of makeup and my setup and stuff, and you guys can see that after I post this video. But yeah, let me just first get out my primer, which I just got for free after spending a bunch of money at Ulta, but it's the Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. Just gonna squeeze a little bit on my hand, all over my face, just so my face is nice and smooth when it comes to put on my different types of makeup. Now that my face is all primed and ready for actual makeup, I'm gonna go get my Born This Way Too Faced Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Seashell. Now, I normally go with It Cosmetics Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, but I saw that this was a very liked foundation, so I'm using it. I'm only gonna put like 2 drops on my hand because you don't really need that much from what I've learned with using different kinds of makeup. It doesn't take that much. Now I'm just gonna put dots everywhere. That's just, some people like rub it right on the brush and then right on their skin, but I like to do dots just so that it's all spread out. I'm really awkward at tutorials, like I don't really, so I usually put it on my neck just so like it's not like my face and my neck's 2 different shades, because in my opinion that just looks tacky. So yeah, I know most people use blending sponges, but I just never really have. I used to, but I like brushes a lot more because I can just like paint it on. Now I've only worn this foundation like once before, and that was yesterday. That was the day after I got it. I was just kind of experimenting. So next I'm just going to kind of conceal some things with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And I don't really, this is something new, like I'm still experimenting with because I don't really know how to use it a lot. And I'm looking over here because there's a mirror. I don't have a fancy setup yet. I'm working to get one. Alright, that looks about right. I think he does something like this. Like he puts it right there, but I'm not sure. Again, I'm not, oh, yikes. I wasn't even twisting it on. I'm not like good at makeup, like I'm still learning a bunch and it's fun doing it, so I decided, hey, I'm just gonna show people what I do. I'm really loving this Shape Tape because it's just really good. Yeah, I for sure look like a mess. Okay, and move on to contouring, which I'm not excellent at, but I'm okay at it. So I'm gonna put it on there and then I'm just gonna make a line. You can see that, yeah. Like, what do you talk about while you're doing makeup? And I have a different brush. I have an Ipsy subscription, so I get a bunch of brushes, in with them. It's pretty cool. Better, I guess. I'm actually like liking this. I don't know if it's like actually like good or I'm just like going crazy. So next, I'm just going to set my face for a second. I saw this is the order James Charles does it in, so don't come at me, people. I'm just gonna, I got the Tarte High Performance Natural Shape Tape Setting Powder. I'm just gonna apply it under the contour line, up here, just so it kind of sets up here. I'm gonna apply my highlight, and I don't use a fan brush just because they don't really work for me, but I use this brush. It's a little like cute brush. I love highlight, but I'm not good at putting it on. You can't even see that. Okay, great. So for my eyes, I'm going to use my Morphe 35T palette. And I like this one because it just has neutrals and like gold and stuff, which is the only thing I really wear. I don't really wear like crazy colors. But if you guys like me doing YouTube makeup stuff, I'll try different things like following a famous person's tutorial or doing like different movie inspired makeup looks or something like that. I don't know. First start with like a base color. Put it on the uppermost of my eye. And then I get a darker color just to go on the outside of that color, just to kind of make it look like it's fading. I make weird faces while I do makeup, I don't know why. I usually get I get like a normal color gold. I put it on the outside, most of my eye. And I put some on the inside of my eye, just so there's two different sides. And then get a different brush. I know it's crazy, right? And I get a lighter shade of gold. And I put it on the insides, just so it's like a light, pretty fade. And yeah, that's how I do my eye. Well, I'll be back in a few minutes after I finish this eye, so yeah. Okay, now that I have both of my eyes done, it is time to do my eyebrows, and what I use is the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie because it's just the one I've had longest and it's the one that I trust to make my eyebrows look good. So yeah. Also, now that I'm a blonde-ish, oh god, I was talking and I got distracted. Now that I'm blonde-ish, I can't really go too dark because it'll just look weird, and I don't want it to look weird. I want it to look good. But yeah. I just go under, build that line, and then I fill that in, and then I do the top line, and I fill that in. That is one eyebrow done. So yeah, there's one. Let me just work on my second one and I will be right back. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, the second to last thing I do is put on mascara. And when I'm not planning on getting the water, I use the Urban Decay Troublemaker. I bought it because I love the case. It's just so pretty. But I don't really apply it weirdly. I'm just like, I apply the bottom and I kind of blink. I just kind of like look drowsy. Oh, I look crazy. And then I just kind of like, I don't know what the word is, soften my face up a little bit just so I can like get up top. Okay, then I just kind of go around. I just look down. Then I just kind of skirt on the bottom. I can't really do the bottom without hitting like my eyelid. I don't know. I'm like over here because I'm like looking in the mirror and I'm trying to like see what I'm doing, and yeah. I know I didn't use blush, but I normally don't just because I don't really know. My blush that I really loved cracked and I don't feel like getting a new one. But yeah, now that I did that, I'm gonna get my Urban Decay Long Lasting All Nighter Setting Spray that I just bought. And I'm just gonna spray it. So this is a completed look. This is just like my everyday, like, just going out, having a good time. Maybe like, this is how I do my makeup for school sometimes when I actually want to dress up for school. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was way different. I'm actually doing a, I don't know, like girly video. I've done conspiracy theories and stuff like that. But yeah, let me know in the comments if I should do more makeup videos, or just leave a like and that tells me that you guys actually enjoy watching me do makeup, which I actually really enjoy doing it as well, just because, I don't know, it's kind of like an art form and I like drawing and stuff, and like makeup is kind of just like, I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more.